Warranties can be confusing. Sometimes, the wording can make you think you're covered for something when you're really not. At Dry Guys, we try to make our warranties as clear as possible. Even so, terms like lifetime warranty often confuse people. Have you ever wondered what your basement waterproofing or foundation repair warranty means? Let's go over the details together. First, what is a warranty? In the United States, a warranty is a written promise given to the buyer that the service or products they've purchased will be repaired or replaced if it is defective or substandard within a specified period of time. The warranty depends on the intended result of the service provided and the durability of a product in question. It's an assurance that you won't get stuck with a faulty product or a bad service if the problem was with the installation. A warranty does not cover things that are outside of the scope of work or factors we can't control. We at Dry Guys will always do our best to give you the highest quality of work possible, and we firmly stand by our solutions. We see this as a partnership. As long as you maintain your products and systems to a reasonable degree, we have your back. We always give you a detailed list of what's covered and what's not covered in all of our agreements. So let's discuss 3 often confusing terms found in warranties. Number 1, limited warranty. At the beginning of our agreements, it will say that this is a limited warranty. This means we will repair or replace your defective system if it meets our conditions. As previously mentioned, situations that are outside the scope of work or that we can't control are not covered by this warranty. When you sign an agreement with us, you'll see the detailed list of situations not covered. We always go above and beyond to ensure your satisfaction within reason. That is our promise. Number 2, transferable. When a warranty is transferable, it just means that it will pass to the new homeowner at no cost if you move. All of our warranties are transferable for the life of the structure. Number 3, lifetime warranty. Finally, the term that confuses people the most is lifetime warranty. This is the trickiest one to understand because of what this means specifically in the state of New Jersey. Waterproofing in New Jersey is considered a service, not a product. In New Jersey, a service has a warranty of only 8.5 years. When a waterproofing company in New Jersey gives you a lifetime warranty, they are only obligated to honor it for 8.5 years, unless the written contract specifies a different number. Their warranty is only as good as the company, assuming they are still in business. At Dry Guys, we understand our customers' concerns. We offer a life of the structure, nationally backed warranty. That means that as long as your house has a certificate of occupancy, we'll back our work, period. Since we are a deluxe dealer for basement systems, if anything should happen to Dry Guys, your home is backed by Basement Systems and Contractor Nation. That will give you extra peace of mind. When it comes to the products themselves, our foundation repair products from Supportworks are warranted for up to 75 years. We can do that because we are a deluxe dealer for Supportworks, and they engineer 25 years worth of sacrificial metal into all their products that go into the ground. We refuse to use lesser products with lesser warranties just to save a buck. In our experience of over 30 years, we have found nothing better in the market to protect our customers. Our crack repairs with Flexispan are warranted for 5 years, and our clean space liner for encapsulation is warranted for 25 years. Once again, when they're installed correctly and taken care of properly, they last forever. Our pumps come with a separate manufacturer's warranty. If there's anything defective with them, the company that makes them will honor their warranty. Depending on the pump model, the warranty is in effect for up to 12, 36, or 60 months from the date of manufacture. Annual maintenance is highly recommended to keep your pumps running at full capacity, but it's not required to keep the warranty in effect. It's also important to understand that any warranties are only in effect when the project has been paid in full. In summary, our warranty is the best of its kind in this industry. Why? Because it's transferable, it lasts for the life of the structure, and it's backed by 2 international dealer networks. Hopefully this has helped you understand what our written agreements mean and how they compare to other warranties in the industry. If you have any further questions, call our friendly staff. They'll be happy to help.